Hey, I'm Jake and I'm going to be cooking a new recipe for myself today. It's a cheeseburger with bacon. But first of all, you need to know the ingredients. Firstly, you need beef burgers. Beef burgers. I've also selected some smoked dry cured pan bacon. Bacon slices, which is going to go on top of the burger. And then obviously burger buns, barbecue sauce, and some cheese. Make sure the oil is nice and spread around the pan. One fresh onion. The pan will be hot enough for me to dump the burgers in. Right, ready for the burgers. So you get a nice sizzling sound, obviously knowing that the burgers are, the pan's hot enough. You're going to put a bit of salt on the burger and on the bacon too. As you can see, burgers are making a nice bit of progress. Make sure that's right. Just going to make sure that this burger's cooked. Still a little bit red on the inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the cheese on top of the burger. Place this onto the burger. And finally applying them on top. Like so. Thank you for watching my video on my homemade cheese and bacon burgers.